What's up, guys? We're gonna go eat something because I'm freaking starving. He's starving. This is kind of gonna be a little bit of a weird vlog because I've had a lot of stuff going on lately in life, so I don't know. I wanted to go for a ride today because it's really nice. We're gonna have some rain coming up this week, so I'm really not excited about that. And I don't know if I'll be doing a lot of riding this weekend. I'm going to try to keep the content as consistent as possible. In a good mood today. I'm going to try to keep it that way. I need a Rockstar really bad. So I'm probably going to stop off and get one. Oh no. Oh, God. Oh, and I'm also having key tags and stickers made for you guys. It's going to take a little bit to get them here to me. But they are being made. I will have them made. So yeah, be excited for that. I'm really excited to sell you guys some of my merch, and then I'll also be working on a sweatshirt as well. But I'm gonna make just one for myself, see how it looks, see if I like it, and then if you guys like it, then I'll consider making more. It looked a lot colder than it actually is right now. I think it's because I've got like my full gear on. Let's get a freaking Rockstar. Let's see. Rockstar. Oh God, this is my favorite. I know it's horrible for you. I know it's like liquid, like jet fuel, but it's so good. And then Kenny likes the Red Bulls, so go with a dumb Red Bull. But did you want it?
Yeah.
Okay. I think there was something that tried to get into it.
Oh, yeah.
Probably a rat or a bird. Alright, this isn't as challenging as putting Dutch Brothers in here. Our Sennas aren't paired. Oh well, I don't want to be paired to you anyway. Let's pick some tunes. Let's be caffeinated. If you guys haven't gone to my Spotify, I have 3, that's right, 3 playlists that I've so strategically created. Go check them out. They're not that fantastic, but they're pretty awesome to me. Let's go to the restaurant. Whoop whoop. My hair is super wet still. It's all cold and slapping the side of my helmet. It's like smack, 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 smack. Just all over. Oh God. Oh God. Yeah. Oh God. Tight squeeze. Tight squeeze. Nailed it. You know, I also kind of wanted to talk about possibly doing a Q&A video because I get a lot of questions. I mean, I do answer almost every single one of your guys' questions on YouTube, but any other questions that you guys might have for me, I want to do a video answering them for you because I think that'd be fun, and it's something a little bit different from writing. So I don't know, tell me if you guys would be interested in that, and if you are, leave a question. I can't wait to take you guys out on the new bike when I get her. I feel like we're so close. Ooh, we made it. Oh my God, it's Jamie! Well, we just made it to the Vietnamese restaurant. It's called Kettles, but I never call it by that. I just call it the Vietnamese Bistro. It's so good. They have these amazing spring rolls. God. Alright, we just finished, guys. I'm so full, I can't Velcro my pants together all the way. We had some pretty good stuff. And now, for the famous. We were just talking about that actually in the restaurant. Get out of here with your Harley. Wait. I need the tunes. I need the tunage. Frick. Oh God. Oh God. Great. Great. Corner it. Corner it. Corner it. Shred it. Shredded. Shredded. I'm totally kidding. So, I got to ride Callie's amazing Triumph this last weekend. Oh my God. That bike. So beautiful. So powerful. Although I only rode her for like a fair maybe 10 minutes. It was still amazing. Oh God. Oh my God. No. Oh God. No. No more. Okay guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this vlog was decent. On a scale of 1 to 10 for me, I feel like it might have been a 4. But I hope you guys enjoyed kind of following me around today. Like I said, it's not like the best vlog because I'm, you know, in the middle of some family stuff. So I hope you guys will take this as a for effort vlog. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
That's my girl.